Welcome to Desert Ways Travel.
Ayan, visa ba ang hanap ninyo? Meron akong alam dito sa Desert Way Travel. Halika kayo, samahan niyo ako.
Desert Way Travel, located at ground floor office, number 6 Bean Jars Building, Fish Runabout, Alriga, Yera, Dubai. Dito sa Desert Way Travel, meron silang A to A visa change Dubai for only 1,419 dirham. A to A visa change Abu Dhabi for only 1,199 dirham. And for 90 days visa, 1,499 dirham. And 60 days visa for only 549 dirham. 30 days visa for only 359 dirham. And meron silang freelance visa 2 years with insurance for only 8,499 dirham. And Philippines visa 2 years direct hire from Philippines for only 14,999 dirham. And meron din silang family visa for only 1,799 dirham. At ito pa ang good news, mga kabayan. Tumatanggap sila ng credit card, TAP, and Gamara. So ano pa ang nantay nyo? Halina kayo, mag-book na! For more info, please contact any of this number. Pero pag andito po kayo sa Dubai, kontakin nyo lang ito si Miss Glyza and she will assist you.